guys, today we're going to see about Arduino. Before that, welcome to our channel Novitech. If you've already been here, then welcome back to our channel Novitech. Arduino, what is Arduino? Arduino is a microcontroller. What does microcontroller mean? It means it is a small device used only for a single purpose, and it also authorizes to control the output and input processes. So, it is an integrated circuit. It has a well situated software so can be programmed to perform a set of functions. Next, Arduino is the development board of IDLE at Mega Controller. Basically, it is invented by Hernando Barragan in the year 2003. Next, let's move to the features of Arduino. When we connect a sensor to Arduino, it becomes useful to sense the environment around it. And when we merge an actuator to Arduino, it can change the surroundings. Following this, we are seeing the types of Arduino with small explanation. There are many types of Arduino boards, but we'll be seeing the 4 types. The first one is Arduino Leonardo. The first development board of an Arduino is the Leonardo board. Ideal for complicated projects, this board uses one microcontroller along with the USB. That means it can be very simple and cheap also. Because this board handles USB directly, program libraries are obtainable, which let the Arduino board to follow a keyboard of the computer, mouse, etc. Next, let's see Arduino Due. The Arduino Due is programmed using the Arduino software IDE. Our integrated development environment is common to all, and the boards are running both online and offline. One of the most development boards in Arduino series is the Due Arduino board. Due board not only has tons of features, it also has terrific processing speed, making it suitable for advanced applications. Next, let's move into Arduino Mega board. The Arduino Mega is similar to the UNO's big brother. It includes lots of digital I/O pins. From that, 14 pins can be used as PWM pins, which is pulse width modulation. 16 analog inputs, a reset button, a power jack, a USB connection, and a reset button. It includes everything required to hold up the microcontroller. Simply attach it to a PC with the help of a USB cable and give the supply to get started with a AC to DC adapter or battery. The next, let's move into the main board, which is Arduino Uno. The Uno is a huge option for your initial Arduino. It consists of 14 digital I/O pins, where 6 pins can be used as PWM pins. It helps the USB to get connected to the PC and get started with the AC to DC adapter or battery. It is the first USB based Arduino board which was introduced, and it is very simple and user friendly, like everyone can use it very easily, and there are more specifications in the Arduino Uno board compared to the other boards. Next, we are moving into the parts of Arduino, which here the Arduino Uno board's parts are explained. The first one is the USB connector. It helps to connect Arduino to the PC with the help of USB connector. The next, we are moving into 9 power part or barrel jack. It connects power supply to the Arduino. Next, it is a voltage regulator. It regulates the voltage from 9 volt to the 5 volt. Crystal oscillator. It generates frequency. The next is reset pin or reset switch. It helps to reset the program completely. The next is USB interface chip. It controls the USB which gets connected. The next is digital pins. It's used to connect the digital devices. There are 11 GPIO pins. GPIO pins means general purpose input and output pins, in which 6 pins are PWM pin, which are pulse width modulation pins. The next is TX-RX LEDs. When the data gets transmitted or received, the TX-RX LEDs blink. The next is microcontroller. The microcontroller which is present in Arduino is ATMEL Mega, which is the most important part of the Arduino. The next are the analog pins. They have 6 analog input pins. It is used to connect the analog devices. Adjoining this subtopic, we are moving into the advantages. Arduino is cheap and always economical. There is an open supply hardware in all the Arduinos which allows the user to make their own kits. The software of the Arduino is well situated with all kinds of in operations system like Linux, Windows and Mac, etc. Following, we move into Arduino programming environment. Programming in Arduino is way too easy compared to any other process. There are two types of method to create a program in Arduino. First one is Arduino IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, which is a software and it obliges to produce a program, which is given as the title of this slide. The next one is ICSP, which is in-circuit serial programming. It is useful and comfortably used software to create programs. Runs on Windows OS, Mac OS and Linux OS. The link given below is the link to create a program in Arduino IDE, and the same link will be put in the description. Finally, let's end by explaining a simple program to blink the LED. The LED is at the end of the board has 2 pins which are cathode and anode. The cathode is connected to the ground supply and anode is connected to the data pins which help the resistor. Under void setup, we choose the 13th pin for our LED. All the digital pins are bidirectional, where either of the pin can be used as an output or as an input. But we need to set the mode correctly in the void setup column. Under void loop, you can give an output in 2 ways. Firstly, it's digital writing. In this, the LED is a digital device, so it is under the digital writing. The next one is analog writing. Here you can see the word delay, which represents time duration, where 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. The result will be showed in the LED as it blinks every second. I hope you all had a clear vision about Arduino. Please feel free if you have any doubts, and you can put it in the comment box. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.